Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about second special technique that is used to separate components of a mixture, and that is centrifugation. Dear student, you have seen at your home that your mother basically take out ghee from fermented milk by using churner. Is it? So, what is centrifugation? Centrifugation is a method to separate denser particles and lighter particles from a mixture by using a centrifuging machine, and this process is called centrifugation. For example, if we take some milk in a centrifuging machine and spin it rapidly, the cream separate from the milk, same the ghee separate out from the fermented milk, because cream or ghee is less dense than milk or fermented milk. In this diagram, centrifuging machine is showing to you. You can see, dear student, there are some nozzle like equipment. Here in white color you can see you fill this with liquid and then you rotate it rapidly. Then what will happen? The denser particle and the lighter particle separates from a mixture. Next, decantation using separating funnel. This method is used for separating a mixture of immiscible liquids. What is the meaning of the term immiscible liquids? Immiscible liquids are those liquids that do not dissolve. Suppose if I say oil and water. So oil and water are immiscible liquid because they do not dissolve. If I say acetone, that is nail paint remover, and water. So acetone and water and alcohol and water are miscible liquid because they can dissolve. So, to separate immiscible liquids, we used a method that is decantation, and the equipment that is used for this process is separating funnel. You can see in the diagram, a diagram of separating funnel shown here. Suppose if we take a mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel, then you can see knob. At the bottom part you can see there is a nozzle. So you fill the mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel, and after some time it forms a layer, separate layers of oil and water. You can see in the diagram. And when you open this nozzle, then what will happen? When you open this nozzle, then the water comes down, and what left behind in the separating funnel, it is kerosene oil. So by using this method you can separate two immiscible liquids. Thank you and have a nice day.